1. French roll. Open the curling iron clip and wrap the hair around, turning outwards. After finishing, hold it for a few seconds and then release it. What a perfect curl! After combing it, it will turn out into a voluminous curl. 2. Horizontal roll. This horizontal roll begins at the end of the hair and runs towards the top hair. Set for 5 to 6 seconds before you let it go. The arc of the horizontal roll is mostly curly. The closer to the end of the hair, the more curls. 3. Vertical roll. The hair is wrapped up similarly to the horizontal roll that we created, but this time the curling iron is vertically positioned. This vertical roll has more strong volumes compared to the horizontal roll. You can add some egg roll on the top hair to have more curvature effect. 4. Egg roll. Begin at the ends of the hair. Turn it around after it's curled, then clamp the hair on top. Repeat the same process until you reach the head. This hairstyle is suitable for all hair lengths from short, medium to long. 5. Wave curl. One tip, the direction of the iron turns backwards. Set for a few seconds, then make another roll. Continue the same process until you finish the ends of the hair. 6. Fishtail roll. The clip should be facing down. Set a few seconds after turning up a circle. Only the ends of the hair are curled. This hairstyle curl is good for medium and long hair. So there you have it. Actually, it takes a lot of work to get good at curling hair, so practice a lot. Good luck and fighting!